Studying Igcse Computer Science online. Studying computer science gives students the tools and knowledge that they need to understand the operation of programmable systems and networks, as well as introducing them to programming in Python. Doing this course will enable you to complete and function with the computer science tools that you will need to use in further courses of study and employment. The delivery method of this course is online. The course duration is 12 months and there is no prior qualification needed. The award achieved at the end is an Igcse Computer Science and the awarding body is Edexcel. The Igcse Computer Science course gives you a good grounding in a wide range of knowledge and skills. It's also a good foundation for A-level courses in computer science as well as courses in further education and university. The course is primarily an online course using a learning management system. The course includes tutor-marked assessments which you access and submit through the online system. Our Igcse courses come with tutor feedback and support by email for 12 months. They will mark your TMAs and provide valuable guidance through any trickier parts of the course whenever you need it. You will also receive a study guide to help you with all aspects of studying, essay writing and general student skills. UK students can sit their exam using private exam centres depending on awarding body and which location is most convenient. Our courses are available for both UK national and international students. International students can register to take an exam with the British Council in their own country. This qualification provides students with the opportunity of operating confidently in today's digital world. It's a useful, practical qualification which will provide you skills needed in further education and work. For more information, please visit our website.